On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2020 Forest River Cardinal 3700FLX. This luxurious fifth wheel boasts a spacious design with 5 slide-outs, providing ample room for relaxation and entertainment during your travels. Step inside and into the heart of the 3700FLX. The central kitchen area is the perfect gathering space, featuring all matching stainless steel appliances, a central island with double basin sink, and additional countertop prep space. There's a 3-burner range with vent and convection microwave above, and on the side is a large side-by-side refrigerator. Enjoy your meals with a view in the seated dinette area, surrounded by natural light pouring in through the picture window slide-out. Step up into the expansive front living area, where relaxation awaits. Entertainment is at your fingertips, complete with a cozy fireplace for those chilly evenings. Sink into the large convertible side couches, or kick back and enjoy the game, or your favorite shows from the center theater-style recliners. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or relaxing in comfort, this travel trailer is sure to exceed your expectations. Convenience is key with the half bath located just off the kitchen, featuring a mirrored vanity and ample cabinet space. Step up into the private rear bedroom and full bath. Rest easy on the king-size bed nestled in a slide-out and barn-style doors for privacy. At the foot of the bed is a large cabinet wardrobe and dresser desk with TV mounted above. The rear master bath features dual vanity sinks and plenty of storage for all your toiletries. The step-in shower is spacious, and there's a stacked washer and dryer in the side closet, perfect for those extended stays at the campsites. This uniquely designed Forest River Cardinal has all the spacious residential luxury you'll ever need for complete relaxation and entertainment on all your travel adventures.